As it stands, Jamie's going to be drawing the teams for the home leg. For the first home leg, they will be at home. Jimmy, you'll get the away teams, okay?
Move your arse.
You want to give the balls a bit of a stir up?
Come on, this is it.
Come
on.
Jamie, if you'd like to draw.
Come on, City, Chelsea. Come on.
Number 4.
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Two.
At home.
Please, not fucking Villa or Swansea. Shit. 2. Come on, Jimmy.
2, Jimmy.
Oh,
no.
Swansea City. Swansea City will travel
Villa.
to
Fuck.
Bridge. There you go, Bradford Benitez. Obviously,
bollocks.
So we're going to 2 teams. Who's going to be the home team in the first leg, Jamie?
I'll drive it, dude.
It will be Phil. There you go. Bradford City. League 2 Bradford City will be at home for the first leg, and they will be facing confirmation number 1, Aston Villa, the 5-time.
Well, that's
huge chance for Bradford City. That the draw that they wanted, Jamie, do you think?
Well, yeah, it's also the draw that Aston Villa wants. no disrespect at all. Paul Lambert will be delighted. Especially, you want to be home second leg. Good, it's also good for a draw for Swansea to be home second leg. You don't really want to be going to Stamford Bridge if you can help it.
Damn.
So, that's a good draw for them.
Okay, let's see what Bradford Benitez made of that.
Shit,
He's with Guy.
That's the worst draw.
Right, for Swansea, what's your reaction? It's a good team, we know. When you go to the semi-final of any competition, you have to.
No.
I think they deserve to be here, and hopefully we can do as today, and we will be in the final.
I think it'll be a very tactical game, or 2 tactical games.
I don't know. I think that it's a team that they like to play football. They like to play on the floor, and then you have to do well. And also try to keep the ball. So I think it will be interesting.
Very interesting tonight. How concerned were you at half-time?
Boo. Crap.
I think that the team was quite good in the first half.
Shit.
Some situations that the keeper was doing really well.